Hey friend, and welcome to my channel. I'm Angelique. So today I'm coming to you with yet another new unit. This one is going to be from the Outre Melted Hairline KinkySoft Edges collection. This one is in the style KinkySoft 1 and it's in the color number 2. So here's what the box for her is looking like. And here's what the stock card for her is looking like. Now this one is going to be heat safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and it is 28 inches. Inside of the stock card, it's going to go into the details about the construction of this unit as well as this collection. And this one is going to be available in 7 special colors. So when you take this one out of the box, you will immediately notice, yes honey, those cute little kinky edges that we got going right on in the front of the hairline. And of course this unit is going to be a center part. You are going to get 2 combs that are right in the front next to that center part. And then you're also going to get a comb on the back as well as your adjustable straps and a pre-attached elastic band that is adjustable, and this one was made on a mesh wig cap. This one is also listed as a glueless unit. So first I'm just going to go in with my Even Lace Tint Spray in the color medium dark brown and just tint that lace. And then when I'm done tinting that lace, I'm going to slap this bad boy on the wig head and give you guys a 360 of what it's looking like. Like I noted, you guys, this one is 28 inches, so it's going to be a long one. The texture on this one is a light yaki, and you can see the little crinkles going on there, honey. And so just in case you guys were curious, like I know I was, I just wanted to give you a side-by-side comparison to show you how the Outre Melted Hairline KinkySoft Edges compares to the Sensationnel Curls Kinks & Co collection Kinky Edges line. And as you can see, the Sensationnel line, the edges seem more dense and coarse, and for the Outre line, the edges seem a bit more sparse and less dense. So it's definitely going to be up to you based on the preference of how exactly you want your edges to be. For me personally, I feel like it could go either way. Some days maybe I want my edges more sparse, some days maybe I want my edges more full and coarse. I definitely was a fan of both of them, but just something to note, if you want a hairline that's kinky but not really super overwhelming and you're kind of new to the kinky edges, then I feel like this is going to be a good one for you. So now I'm just going to go in and start cutting that lace off. Of course, first you did see I just went in and pinned the hair up. And now I'm just going in with my embroidering scissors and cutting small little sections so that when I go in afterwards with my pinking shears, I'm able to easily maneuver cutting around that hairline. So now I'm just going to go in with my serrated pinking shears and then continue cutting that lace off. On the bright side, honestly you guys, when it comes to this unit, cutting the lace is probably the most time consuming part of the whole process, which was great news in my opinion, because y'all know I'm always looking for a lazy girl, beginner friendly, easy approved type of unit so that I can just throw on and go. And I didn't expect her to be glueless, but it was. So that's what it's looking like after I've cut the lace off. And now I'm just going to pop this bad boy on my head and get this install going. Honey, look at that. You know a wig is going to be doing what it's supposed to be doing when you pop it on your head and you already feel like, oh, okay, girl, this is it. Like, I don't really got to do much to this. I can just pop it on my head and finesse it the way that I want to without needing to do a bunch of work. So, you know, I was absolutely here for that. Now, the density on this one, you guys, is really nice. Like I said, it's listed as a natural yaki, and the density on this is going to sit at about 150%, so I really like the fact that it's not an overwhelming amount of hair. It's right in the middle. It looks like if you just had a silk press and maybe you started sweating it out a little bit, but it still looks natural and flowy, if that makes sense. So I was definitely a fan of the texture on this one. It has just the right amount of yaki in my opinion. And of course, I'm just going in with my bristle brush and brushing down that humpage. Now I'm just going to go in with my The Warrior 2 palette by Juvia's and the colors Yoda and Kufuru and start adding that around the perimeter of the lace. I'm going to add that in the parting space as well. And as far as the cap size on this one, you guys, my head is about 22 to 22.5 inches in circumference and it fit my head perfectly. I did actually go in and adjust that adjustable elastic band as well. So I do think if you have a larger head, you definitely should be good to get away with wearing this one and definitely wearing this one glueless. I did not put any adhesive on this unit whatsoever, you guys. I'm literally wearing it as is. So I was absolutely impressed by that. And this is just me getting the hair together because I want you guys to see the hairline in all of its glory without any of the hairs kind of covering up that lace or anything like that. I just want to give as much of a natural look as I possibly can. And that's what the look is looking like, honey. Like I said, this did not take any time at all, you guys. The install was super easy. This is definitely going to be a beginner friendly wig for sure. This is going to be for the girls that like texture and for the girls that definitely want to dip their toe into the kinky edges world, but maybe they're not the most comfortable with it. Like I said, when it comes to the edges on this one, I feel like the edges, even though they are kinky, they're not quite as kinky as the Sensational units. And I can't say I prefer one over the other, honestly. I'm just a fan of kinky edges as a whole. So of course, I'm just going to show you guys various styling options. This is one of the other things that I loved about this unit is that even though it's just a center part, they did a really good job at creating the construction on this unit. I was able to wear it in various styles, so I wasn't just stuck with only wearing it straight down the middle with no style, so I was absolutely here for that. So when it comes to my cons and pros on this unit, honestly you guys, I can't say that I literally have any cons with it whatsoever. When it comes to my pros on this unit, I love the texture. I love the density. I really love the fact that I was able to style it different ways, even though it's just a center part. The price point was definitely what it needed to be. I love the kinky edges, the look of it. As a whole, this one is definitely just doing what I needed for it to be doing, you guys. And overall, I'm just really happy and pleasantly surprised. Like, y'all know as soon as Sensationnel dropped the Kinky Edges collection, I kept saying Outre needs to do their thing. Outre needs to do their thing. And I can't lie, you guys, Outre definitely did their thing when it comes to this one. So honestly, I feel like if you're a fan of the Sensational Kinky Edges collection, you need to pick this unit up and give it a try. You need to like pick it up and give it a try because Outre did their thing with this one, you guys. So that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units or pick up on any of the colors, honey. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.